Mm-mm. I'm not an entrepreneur, you say. I've worked a job my whole life, that's my way. But every founder starts at ground zero, one brave step before they become a hero. You're not born knowing how to lead. You learn with every risk, every seed. Get patent pending, stake your claim. That first small win can light the flame. You don't need to have it all. Just take the step, just make the call. Build your dream from what you hold. Go big, go bold. Go big, go bold. Go big, go bold. An engineer pitched a music dream. Pedal built the iPod, led a team. A coder searching for something new. Nakamoto wrote Bitcoin out of the blue. A student tinkered with heat and light. Mikosinski's flashlight changes the night. A lab tech fixing cables one day. Metcalf made the Ethernet, the world's highway. You're not defined by where you start. Great ideas grow from a restless heart. You don't need fortune or titles to just courage, rising, brave and bold. You don't need to have